the Reba axe. Stick around. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Alright, so the Reba axe, this happens to be a customer's axe. I have a couple of these that are ready to go. All you have to do is go to threeriverblades.com. Go ahead, throw it in there. There's a couple different coating options if you like. This happens to be a satin finish. This is what the customer wanted, satin finish. Really nice. It comes with a Kydex sheet. The Kydex sheet just kind of fits in here like this, snaps in, and has a little bit of shock cord. All right, it's not strong enough to hold up a tech lock. You could put one in there if you wanted to, but again, it's going to be a little bit more flimsy. This is really a rescue axe. What it's designed for is to rescue. All right, you can still use it as a woods axe if you will. You see right there, there's a very sharpened bit. I already cut myself, took a little bit of meat off my finger. It does have this diamond piece in the back, and again, I would highly use any of the other tools on this axe with the sheath on it. All right, so if you needed to wedge, you can wedge, ply in there. You could also use the back for a break and rake type of thing. So if you need to get into some glass or some doors, you can get in there. Also, the way I designed this is this has a very round curvature on the top because I want to be able to get under something and pry it up, such as any type of heavy metals, or if it's a, I don't know, manhole cover, something like that. All right, so this is on the website, threeriverblades.com. check it out. I'm going to roll in the footage of actually how I make this. Now again, I don't have a lot of these. If you want one, go up to the website and get it now. Another way you can support me is to like, subscribe, share, add some comments down below. Become a Patreon member. This video will be uploaded before anything else, so you'll be able to watch it. Any of the links down below, you could take a look at those, and also get on that mailing list. Go to threeriverblades.com. Go all the way down to the bottom, first name, last name, and your email address. So let me go ahead and roll in the video, and I'll get back with you in a second. Alright guys, so I hope you enjoyed that video. Again, thank you very much for all the support. This is actually a customer's axe, the Reba axe. They are available on the website. Go to threeriverblades.com. Take a look at it. You can get them in different coating options. You can get them in subdue. You can get them in the satin finish. The satin finish isn't going to cost you any more money. This is exactly what the satin finish looks like. Alright. So really nice design. Again, this is L6 steel, so it's very, very heavy duty. This is the same stuff that they make jackhammer bits out of. Okay, so it's really, really, really tough. It is a carbon steel, so you do have to keep it oiled unless you get a Cerakote option or a gun blue option. That's also available. So thank you very much, guys. Go to threeriverblades.com. Check out all the great stuff I have up there. Become a Patreon member. Like, subscribe, share. Put all those links down below. Take a look at what I got down there. Go to Three River Kydex, Three River Survival, and threeriverblades.com. As always, guys, thank you very much and stay safe.